Alright guys, we got a BMW here, 323i, N52 engine. We got a problem on this. Engine light is on. Came up as a 29CD and 29D1. Misfire number 1 and number 5 ignition. So when I pull out the number 1 spark plug, ground it out, crank the engine, and this is what I find out.
If you do the slow motion, you can see it sparking and then stop, sparks, stop, and then it sparks again. There you go. Here we go, a little slower. Sparks, stop, sparks, and then stop, and then sparks again. So it's not stable, it's not steady, it's just a random misfire.
So you see a bunch of sparks while I'm cranking it, and then the sparks stop, and then after that the spark came back while I was cranking the whole time. So this is a coil problem for sure. So we need to put a brand new coil.